What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's test drive 1973 Beetle. This thing's pretty sweet. Good shape. Got the 4-speed. Nice sounding motor. Of course, we'll be taking it down the road, pointing out any flaws so you know what you're getting. Check out the details below in the description or at maplemotors.com. 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available. And of course, you hit subscribe. We get all kinds of classic cars in here. We go through almost 60 a month. So there'll always be something new. For now, sit back, relax. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, we'll look around the interior, check everything out. This thing's in pretty good shape. I got my phone over here on charge because it never seems to charge at night anymore. I don't know what's up with that. Fix that. That pops your hood, which is your trunk. Starts up pretty easy. The brake's getting tight too, so that should work. We'll need to stop and get gas. This one's on the E. Showing 92,270 miles. Headliner's a little dirty. Could be cleaned up a little bit better. Still not torn. Back seat looks good. Oh, I say it. There's a little tear right there in the corner. Big old fluffy visors. Let's see what we got here. Turn signals. Open up on both sides of the dash. Place your bets. You think the horn works? Wipers working? It says air, but none of that stuff's gonna work. Horn? It does work. Good deal. All right, let's hit the road. See how she runs a drive. Okay, let's hit the road. Anything I see, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos for you. We'll keep the vent window closed so I don't blow air all into the camera and make it sound like a tornado. Clutch lets out pretty quick, pretty easy. And brakes don't feel bad. I wanted to check them before I pulled out. Yeah, they're stopping good. Shift's good. Yeah, so far all the gears nice and smooth. Good deal. Okay, as we're riding down the road, I've noticed there's a little bit of a left pull. Somebody behind me in the left lane, so I gotta be careful, but you can kind of see it fading here. Getting into the brakes, they're stopping good. Actually, when you hit the brakes, it holds the road better. May have a brake sticking or something causing that left pull. Didn't feel like it though. But like I said, so you got the left pull, as soon as you hit the brakes, it straightens out. Left pull, hit the brakes, straightens out. So, could be in the brakes. I don't know for sure. Tight steering. Again, the clutch feels good. Going into gear like it should. Suspension's not too bad on this thing either. Yeah, fairly smooth. Again, I don't know exactly which side the gas tank's on, so we just gotta pull up in here and hope for the best. I should have checked that before we got out. And no, I'm not gonna pull forward. I'm gonna stay in the shade. It's 100. All right, I'll be right back. We're gonna get about $20 worth of fuel. Okay, yeah, it was on the other side. Had to flip her around. It's all right. $20 premium fuel right here. Let's go in there and check that gauge. Keep this video rolling. All right. So yeah, gas gauge was close to E, and now it's I was gonna say it's gone. There it goes. It's coming up. Should get us close to a half a tank. Yeah, that gauge is working. Seems to be pretty correct. Let's keep rolling. Okay, let's head on back to the car lot now. Once we get back to the lot, we're going to be picking out the flaws, any kind of chips, scratches, or issues that I see. You'll know about it. Walk around the whole ride, check the interior, listen to the motor. Pretty quiet going down the road. Suspension feels good. Going into all the gears nice and easy. So I'm literally right around the corner from the car lot now. Next scene's gonna be picking out the flaws. Anything I see, you will know about it. We're back, guys. Be sure to hit subscribe. I'll see you here in just a moment. All right, picking out the flaws. Let's walk around this ride. Anything I can find, you'll know about it. We'll get started up here in the front. Coming around, close to that bumper there. It's in decent shape. Paint looks pretty good. The paint run here, it's real thick. Seal in the hood here looks all right. Oh, it's got some dry areas on this side. Got some carpet up here, extra windows, spare tire. Coming down, lock's good. Little dirt up here. Chrome looks good. Headlight bezels have got some chips on them. Chrome on the bottom on the step here has got a little bit of issues. You can see the dent right there. Wax here. Dent right here, dent up here, also here, chip in the back. Tail light there's got some spider webbing going on. Chip here. Front windshield looks pretty good. Spot there in the paint. Back windows in good shape. Coming around to the back here. Bumper looks good. Little chip down in the behind the bumper here. A little grease there. Spot right here. Got some dents up here. Somebody stepping on the chrome piece there. Bent it up. A little bit of overspray on the front fender.
All right, thank you.
Little wax left over. Headlight bezel, chrome showing behind the paint. Mirror's in good shape. Should have wiped it off a little better. Got some dirt on here. It's all coming off. Paint protection. Coming up over the back window. It's in good shape. Seal looks good. Some dirt there as well. Okay, let's check out the inside. I'll get her started up. Make sure I got those two little dings there in the door. Opening up. Door panel's in good shape. Seal looks good. Get up in the interior. Seats in good shape. Headliner a little dirty up here. I noticed this one, it sounds like it gets a little bit loaded up when you first start it. That's why I was revving it up and clearing it out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe, share, and hit like. That helps me out quite a bit. Check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping, detailed pictures. And of course, we're always listing new rides every week at maplemotors.com. See you later. Have a good one.